कंप्लेन घालपाचें मिशन ऑफ द प्लेस कट आउट बॅनर
कटआउट उडयता हांगा
मिनींग ते करता
हां
pieces here.
they leave the trash. कितें न्ही
पूजा आणि करता
आणि हांव कितें म्हणटा जाण तूं आनी एक हें आहा ह्यो
कितें आसा तें ऑर्बिल बाब हें कितें
हें आतां हें दिसता तें आतां हें आतां आमची रस्त्याची होर्डिंग आयल्या
हां
जायती एडवर्टायजमेंट होर्डिंग आयल्या
ओके
आनी म्हाका दिसता ही होर्डिंगाचे ती पयलीं ती हें जाली ती थिंगाची उडयता दे आर नॉट टेकिंग इट हे तेणी कलेक्ट करून रिस्पॉन्सिबली एडवर्टायझींग कंपनी हे तेणी तेंच्या व्हेकलांक व्हरपा जाल्ली
रायट
ती हरशीं आहा ती आमच्या रेस्टॉरंटाक उडयतात आनी ते आपणाचें काम जालें म्हणून सोदता हे सारकें न्हू These advertising companies must be penalized by the local panchayat. This is the degradation of our environment. आणि आज आमचं हे सगळे 7-8 आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन एकठांय जाला की हे सफाई करपाक ही एक्चुअली ही तांची काम आनी तेंचें काम आमी करपाक आमचे सगळे यूथ मुखार सरल्या फादर अंडर फादर गायडन्स ऑफ फादर रेवरंड फादर डॉक्टर बॉलमॅक्स पेरेरा सो हांव कितें म्हणटा ही अशें गावपा न्हू दीस इज अ टोटल वॉर that they are conducting on the environment. This is आमची हे परिवर्तन आहा ते सगळे नष्ट करता असले घाणीन
कितले मूर्ती उडयला पळय ती गणपतीची मूर्ती दिसता गणेश मूर्ता पळय कशी उडयला
मूर्ती हा
हय मूर्ती हा म्हाका ते कितले हा 4-5 मूर्ती
आणि हांगा फुलनसी बाब हांगा वासूय येता नुस्तें उडयलेलें आहा लोकांनी कितें
सो इट इज व्हेरी सॅड टू सी दॅट आयज देवाची मूर्ती आमी हे पेजाडली डंप करता सो म्हाका दिसता खंय ना खंय ऑथॉरिटीन एक प्रॉपर गायडलायन्स हाडचे की अशे देवाचे मुर्त्यो नोंदणी ओडप आनी मागीर ते तोडेक येवप हें मातशें हें रॉंग आसा आनी खंय ना खंय सरकारान हेजेर एक हॉलिस्टीक प्लॅन हाडचे आनी लोकांनी असली इजी वे थ्रोईंग करचे न्हू कित्याक दीस इज इफेक्टींग दी मरीन रिसोर्सीस इन द रिवर्स अँड स्पॉइलिंग द एनवायरमेंट
चडशे कसले गार्बेज मेळटा फादर हांगा
सगळे भाशेची गार्बेज आहा देर इज नो डिफरन्स बिटवीन गार्बेज बॉटल्स आहा ते मातशे डेंजरस प्लस प्लास्टीक बॉटल्स एंड म्हाका दिसता हिंगा लोक जो पासार जाता एंड समटायम्स देर आर ट्युरिस्ट सिटींग ओवर हियर मे बी दे आर आफ्टर डुईंग देयर इटींग एंड ड्रिंकींग वर्क दे आर जस्ट थ्रोईंग इट ओवर हियर हिंगा डस्टबिन्सूय बीन ना घायल्ले सो दॅट कॅन बी वन ऑफ द रिजन आनीक पोतयो डोमेस्टीक पोतयो ज्यो बायकाचेर सन उडयताय त्यो बीन जायत्यो भाशेच्यो आहाय एंटायर स्ट्रेच from this Kottali junction to Shantadurga temple junction. And the entire stretch we are having this. Both the sides. We have mangroves on both the sides of the road. And recently on 25th May, we had taken up mangrove plantation केल्ले. आता today we are doing the examination. तेजेय बीन आमी check करताय ते आहाय जाले जाल नाय. And so far that other side we have checked जावपाक लागलेले आहे. So that is a good thing for us. So आमी जे काम केल्ले आहा in mangrove restoration तें जातलें जाल्यार this garbage is dangerous. That is why we said we have to do it. Let us not wait for Panchayat or the government authorities to do it or somebody else to do it. Let us do it. So St. Joseph's College takes this initiative of mangrove restoration initiative. And today this odd drive, mangrove cleanup drive is part of that initiative. So I jata titli आमी काडटले आनी म्हाका दिसता we have to do more along with the Panchayat. We are happy that Sankwal Panchayat is supporting us in this and the BMC of Sankwal. Hes bhashen आमी दुसरे पंचायती कडे on the other side that we will take later.
Yes, Father.
हेमांग आनीक ज्यो वस्तू हिंगा आमकां मेळटा तितून देवाची चित्रां, देवाची मुर्त्यो सगळे धर्माचे, क्रिस्तांवांचे, हिंदूचे हिंगा आहाय. खंयचे ते हांव त्यान म्हणपाक सोदना, पूण देवाची पासून चित्रां, मुर्त्यो जरी तर आमी हाडून हिंगा उदकान उडयता जाल्यार आनीक जे आतां आमकां मेळटा ते मातयेचे न्हू, ते हें जाता ते न्हू तितून भितर, बट प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरीस, POP हे आहा, मागीर फायबर ग्लासाचे आहा, पूण देवाची चित्रां. सो देवाची चित्रां जेन्ना तुमच्या घरांत दवरपाक जायना कांय कारणाक लागून देर इज अ वे ऑफ डिस्पोजींग. सो रेवरन्शियली खंयच्याय धर्माचे जावं म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी रेवरन्शियली डिस्पोज करपाक जाय following the proper procedures. And second thing तुका हांव सांगपाक सोदता तें इज अबाउट द प्लास्टिक्स. आमकां तें कॅन्सर जाता, हें जाता, तें जाता म्हणटा आमी. इट इज नॉट दॅट प्लास्टीक इज नॉट डिग्रेडींग, प्लास्टीक इज डिग्रेडींग स्लोली. आनी हे उदकान उडयल्ले आहा ते ऑल दीस प्लास्टिक्स आर बिकमींग मायक्रो प्लास्टिक्स. आनी मागीर आमकां कॅन्सर जाता. नुस्त्यान आमच्या आयज मायक्रो प्लास्टिक्स आहा, आमच्या जेवणान आयज मायक्रो प्लास्टीक आहा. कोणें उडयल्या ते आमी उडयता हे भशेन. So if we are throwing this waste, especially plastics in water, they degrade जातले, पण जायती वर्सां घेतले होरे, पण before finally degrading in million years, it will disintegrate into these plastics called as microplastics. Okay, so ह्या पासत
300 years लागतात प्लास्टिक.
सो प्लास्टिक्साक मोर दॅन 300 years लागताय आनीक मातशे मोठे आहा ते इट वील टेक मोर इयर्स. सो प्लीज डोंट थ्रो प्लास्टिक्स इन वॉटर इफ यू वॉन्ट युअर फिश टू बी हेल्दी.
देवा सुद्धा उडयलेला आसा, देवाकूय.
आतां आमकां आमचे न्हू इतले आतां नवी घर काडली म्हणजे पयलीं त्यो मुर्ती आहा त्यो तांकां पयस करता. आनी हे जाग्यार असल्यो मुर्त्यो उडोवपाच्यो त्यो आमचे घरांत आसपाच्यो, त्यो आतां लोकांचो यू कॅन सी हाव मच मेटेरियलिस्टीक जाले आमचे लोक. ते पोरणी मुर्ती काडून हितून आमचे खजनांत उडयतात. सो हांव आमकां मागता सगल्या लोकांची, तुमकां कित्याक बरी हे तरी मुर्त्यो तर नाकाय जाल्यार तुमचे इगोर्जी नाजाल्यार देवळांत हिंगा जायत्यो दुसऱ्याची धर्माच्यो जी आमी चयले आतां, म्हळ्यार बिकॉज ऑफ द सिट्युएशन त्या चिकडां आज पुरे मुर्ती आहाय भरपूर
भितर आनी
आनी आमी चयल्या, बट ते काडूंक मेळना बिकॉज इट इज द टायड इज देर. सो हांव कितें मागता लोकांचें एक प्रॉपर डिस्पोजेबल करपाक तुमकां नाका जाल्यार कोणाक दिवपा जाता, शेजऱ्यान दिवपा जाता, नाजाल्यार तुमच्या इगोर्जीन व्हरून, नाजाल्यार तुमच्या दुसऱ्या धर्माचे आहा ते देवळान नाल्यार व्हरून डिस्पोज करपाच्यो. अशें करप न्हू की तुमी एकाच तुमी मानताले एक तेंपा आनी तेकाच तो जागो न्हू चिकडांत. सो हांव मागता आतां आमी मुर्ती दिसली पडटा आमकां, आतां आमची चतुर्थी येतली. हांव मागता लोकां खातीर की असल्यो मुर्त्यो त्यो बायोडिग्रेड जायनाय त्यो घेवची न्हू. प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरीस बँड आहा, फायबर ग्लास बँड आहा, आनी चोवपाक गेल्यार आतां ही दीस इज अ प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरीस. सांग कितें हांव मागतां ह्यो मुर्त्यो बाजारांत कितको पावतात वेन देर इज एक्झिस्टींग बॅन बाय द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा आनी हिंगा चोयल्या तुमी थंय कितल्यो आहा त्यो हिंगा दिस इज द वे दॅट वी आर गोईंग टू इम्बायब अ कल्चर विथ इन टू आवर यंग जनरेशन. सो ही मुर्ती घेता थिंगा एक शॉपाचेर बोर्ड आसपा जाय दीस आर ऑर्गेनिकली मेड ऑफ क्ले म्हूण एक बोर्ड आसपा जाय कंपल्सरी एक बोर्ड घालपा जाय त्या शॉपाचेर कित्याक ना जाल्यार असलेच आमचे हे असले मटेरियल डिसइंटिग्रेट जायना तें अशें करून आसतलें आनी आमचे दुसऱ्या आमचे वेलसांक आसले देखून हेचे शिवतायो आनी आमचे रापणकार भाव ते मागीर डिस्पोज करता तांकां जायते आमी आफ्टर चतुर्थी 4-5 दीस देखून आमगे येडे शिवलेले आसता हांव नाका ते खुंयसान वास्को येता खुंयसान येता ते. सो हांव मागता लोकां कडेन बाय वेन यू आर बायींग दीस such idols only buy which are made of clay.
कित्या खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट?
Today is World International Conservation Day for mangroves. We have seen now today the scientists have already flagged alarm on global warming and sea level rise. At this occasion, it is very important for the government to understand the importance of environment. We have seen during the rains, past paus payela has created havoc not only in Goa but across India. So which is very evident that climate change is now, not tomorrow. So on this occasion, it is we have done this cleanliness drive, and the importance of mangroves, which is a protected species under the Wildlife Protection Act, has to be protected, and government has to go all out to grow more such kind of species like mangroves asu, nalar screw pine asu, nalar forestry trees asu. So Magta Forest Minister, we have seen lately that he has converted more than 22 lakh square meter of land or green land into settlement. So if such kind of destruction continue, then we do not know what is going to happen to Goa, because there are already studies where many of the cities of Goa, including Vasco, is likely to go underwater. So government has to work a long-term strategy how such kind of destruction will not happen in the future.
It is International Day of Conservation of Mangroves. Ako Sansar Samarumta. And as we have taken St. Joseph Vaz College along with other associations coming together, collaborative work with all others, mangrove restoration initiative for last 2 years. So there's a part so we felt that garbage zaiti in the mangroves. So today, instead of doing any mangrove plantation, we said first we have to clean. ताका लागून हो mangrove cleanup म्हणून आयच्या दिसाक आमी हो आयोजीत केल्लो आहा with our college students and school students from even Chikali. Regina Mundi have joined us in Joseph's College, Regina Mundi School. So the students are aware. तांकां aware करपाक climate change आतां आमच्या हातीन ना. It perhaps has gone out of hand. And आख्खो हो म्हयनो फूल जुलायाचो म्हयनो आमी चोयला केशे भाशेन आमकां त्रास जाता ते आजून पासून आयज पासून अकस्मात पावस पडटा अकस्मात पावस बंद जाता बट वी हॅव टेकन दीस अप. सो फॉर क्लायमेट रेजिलियन्स वी नीड mangroves, and this has been accepted by all the countries all over. Today if you see in Dubai being the थिंगा most skyscrapers थिंगा आहा आनी इतलो development जाता, but Dubai as a country has given a special attention to mangroves, and they are planting more than 1 million mangroves during this time. So mangroves are the guardians of the coast, and आमी being a coastal state, we have to focus on conserving and preserving mangroves. So त्या पासून तो आयचो कार्यक्रम आमी घडोवन हाडलेलो आहा, and we have volunteers from different associations like आमचे Chikali Youth Farmers Club, then Goincho Ekvot, Nisarga Nature Club, and we have the support from different agencies, even the Forest Department for this initiative, from Goa State Biodiversity Board, under which the BMC of Sankwal is collaborating with us today. And we are happy की सांकवाळेची पंचायत तांकांय बीन आमी जेन्ना उलो मारलो तेन्ना they have said yes, let us do. हेंच न्हू आनीकूय मुखार करपाचें आहा जाल्यार दे आर रेडी टू वर्क विथ द कॉलेज एंड द एसोसिएशन्स लायक वन अर्थ फावंडेशन म्हण एक तरणाट्यांचो एक जमो आहा who are more involved with the coastal cleaning. So today we are collaborating with One Earth Foundation. सगळे young भुरगे ते. And हे भाशेन म्हाका दिसता there has to be more awareness among the people, locals. आता this being part of Sankwal people have to know, and Sankwal has beautiful mangroves, entire stretch. Our students have already made their study on the mangroves of Kortali, in which Sankwal was also included. So mangroves are healthy this side, but slowly we are going to lose them if we don't be responsible with this garbage dumping and other things.
कसले गार्बेज आसा? विच टायप ऑफ गार्बेज?
ह्या सुवातेर आमकां आतां चडशे मेळटा ते ऑल डम्प्स ऑफ इवन द सिमेंट बॅग्स जे आहा न्हू कन्स्ट्रक्शनाक उजार केल्या ते आफ्टर डुईंग देयर जॉब म्हाका दिसता तेमी हाडून द बेस्ट प्लेस टू डम्प इट वेर नोबडी कॅन सी इज दीस मँग्रोव माशीस मे बी. आनीक हो डिवेलपमेंट जो केल्लो आहा लोकां पासत आनी बॅरिकेड जी घायल्ली आहा मोस्ट ऑफ द दीस गार्बेज इज हिडन behind this, and म्हाका दिसता that is a health hazard. If we don't clean it up today, then it can create a big health hazard. So त्या पासत we said let us do it. दुसऱ्यांक रावची न्हू. Let us not wait for the panchayat to do it. Let us not wait for the government to do it. They have lot of things to do. Of course, it is their responsibility, but at the same time, we as people, we have to do something. ह्या पासत ही आतां गार्बेज हिंगा आहा ती इवन जे पर्यटक हिंगा येता ते maybe the tourists who come over here ते हिंगा बसता अशें दिसता म्हाका दिसता ते भशेन because plates मागीर bottles then the chips packets all these things are found over here and luckily till now we have not found syringes. आतां भितर आहा जाल्यार हांव नको बट मोस्टली दीज आर द थिंग्स इवन डॉमेस्टीक वेस्ट तो पोतयांनी हाडून लोक उडयता तो इज फावंड ओवर हियर. सो एक वाटेन पीपल हॅव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल वायल डम्पिंग. यूजिंग प्लास्टिक्स इज नॉट बॅड perhaps, but dumping plastic is very very bad. Disposal of the one time use जे कितें either whether they are paper plates or plastics, let us stop it. ते तर आमी स्टॉप करना जाल्यार खंय तरी उडोवपाक and then poor mangroves they become the victims and poor plants become the victims, and if they are the victims तो इफेक्ट आमचेर शुअर जातलो. So we don't need to say anymore save mangroves, save trees. We have to save ourselves and we have to save them.
मैथिली. Muskan, you are being part of this today's initiative.
So because mangroves are really important part of Goa, and most of the part of the Goa is fulfilled with mangroves. People don't understand what are mangroves, and most of them are like they are just destroying the Goa, the shit. They are just like only growing up and nothing. They are doing nothing, but they are actually the coastal guards who really protect us. And because of them we are safe over here, or they protect us from heavy winds and all those stuff. So it's it should be our initiative to clean up the garbage near them, and also be keeping the environment clean is very much important, and it will indirectly help us to grow.
So you're happy to be part of this?
Yeah, I'm really very happy. It's my initiative. I came here, and yeah, it's a good initiative.
What about you?
Actually the same, as we all know that there are many benefits from mangroves for us, though there are people who don't understand it and still like keep garbage near them. They don't even take initiative to clean the garbage. So I think it's our responsibility to keep our mangroves clean, which protect us.
What sorts of trash you found?
It's all type of trash like plastic, glasses.
And as you can see, there are Ganpati Bappa and all those stuff. I don't know whether they are eco-friendly or what, but they are not degradable in water. So everything is over here. Thermocol, plastics. It's very much disheartening that we are finding those stuff over here, and we should protect our environment, I think. it's time to come on the ground and protect them.
या
Today is the 26th of July. It is the day of conservation of mangroves, and we the students of Regina Modi are here to be a part of this cleanup drive.
मॅडम व्हॉट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ गार्बेज यू फाउंड
Yeah, we have found a lot of plastic over here, a lot of pampers also over here, and we have also seen a lot of drinking bottles as beers and all other things are also there. And being a part and cleaning up this mangroves, I think is very important because they are playing a very important role in our ecosystem. They are actually saving our coastlines. They are saving everything from the basically from the soil erosions. And even if we have any natural calamities and all, they are the ones, they are the protectors for us. So it's very important not only for this day to just come up and out over here and clean it up, but still do it on an everyday basis. So today we have our students from Regina Modi who actually came up over here and been a part of this cleanup drive with One Earth Foundation and St. Joseph Pass College. And also we in school have our eco club. So I thought it's a good chance to come up, get the children over here and do these activities as a part of our eco clubs also. And I think all the other schools also should come up and get their children in these and have these type of activities where it's going to even tell the children or teach them something good, something important about the nature. So yeah, it's very nice over here to come and do this part. And I'm very happy that the children also came along with us.